Kelly, thanks for having me. How are you?
Been too long without this energy. Bitcoin has surprised a lot of people with its resilience this year. What do you think is driving that? And are you a fan of all these ETFs they're trying to launch?
Yeah, of course I am. Uncle Larry, pump my bags. In all seriousness, Kelly, things like time, things like precious metals, things like collectibles, they're scarce because of their unforgeable costliness. They're valuable because they're scarce and because of their unforgeable costliness. So Bitcoin is an asset that is in the class of things like a gold, things like antique art, and something as valuable as time because it's definitively scarce. So I think it's going to rally no matter what environment it's in because it's scarcer than all other assets on the planet. And it doesn't surprise me that someone like BlackRock wants to get involved and sees the same thing we've all seen.
But it hasn't rallied in every environment, though. I mean, every year, maybe even every quarter, seems to bring a different set of explanations for what causes Bitcoin to move. Is there any kind of unified explanation, or is it just sort of like you either believe or you don't?
You know what? When the money is, Bitcoin really simplifies the concept of money. It's really just about supply and demand. And I would argue that it has rallied across every environment because it's the highest performing asset ever since it's been in existence in over a decade now. If you just take a step back and look at its performance, all it's done is just gone up and to the right. Now, if you condense it in certain time,
65,000, and now it's down at 30. I mean, that's hard to swallow if you bought it at 60, 65, believing the people who said it was going to go to $1 million.
Yeah, well, ask Silicon Valley Bank how hard it was to swallow high interest rates. I mean, if you live in an era of monetary policy that since 1971 is the Federal Reserve Central Bank in coordination sometimes with our government, just creates money out of thin air and then shrinks liquidity out of thin air, we have boom and bust in the economy. Banks go under. We have hyperinflation in emerging markets and record inflation in the U.S. What do you want Bitcoin to do about that? That's not Bitcoin's problem. All Bitcoin has done, if you average Bitcoin out, if you take a zoom out and you're looking to hold and save and accrue wealth, traditionally that's been done in things like real estate. Recently, it's been done in things like Apple stock because the dollar has been so poorly performant. It's done a tremendous job. It cannot solve the problems that central banking has created in the just volatile, what we all have to go through in interest rate rises, zero interest rate environments. There's nothing Bitcoin could do about that. But what it can do is consistently persist and appreciate against the US dollar, which it's done a phenomenal job at. I mean, Bitcoin at $30,000 right now is a tremendous achievement for this asset class. And we're on the cusp of BlackRock and an ETF. This is a huge deal. I don't know anyone that holds Bitcoin that has an issue with that.
But there also, do you still think, Jack, needs to be clarification on the regulatory front? I mean, you've seen all the memes. It's been like, on the one hand, we're cracking down on every kind of crypto platform. And on the other hand, we're going to let these, Bitcoin spot ETFs launch. It's a little bit confusing.
Yeah, I think we're all confused. I've been on the show, Kelly, and I've called altcoins an arbitrage on the trend. These things, in my opinion, are arbitraging the opportunity of regulatory uncertainty and information on just knowledge. People don't really understand Bitcoin. People don't understand this asset class. And so there was an arbitrage opportunity over the last decade to create the faster Bitcoin or the smart contract Bitcoin or the pink Bitcoin. And because there wasn't proper regulation, you can get away with issuing a lot yourself, manipulating the market, wash trading it, like SBF, and scamming people. And now I think you're seeing proper regulation where Bitcoin is clearly, it has an immaculate conception. It's clearly a commodity. It's clearly the digital version of gold. And then regulators are trying to understand, like, how do we regulate what is, in my opinion, just violent levels of crime and fraud? And so I don't think it has anything to do with Bitcoin. And if anything, it just is a net ad where if you're just a technology trend trader, and if you're following how humans have been able to harness electricity and energy to innovate through technology and add net products to humanity, this is another one. We took energy and we built airplanes. We took energy and we built television, radio, the internet, the light bulb, and now we did it with money. And so I think the trend is wash out all the crap. All those things are garbage. And then Bitcoin will have the clarity and be recognized as the real computer science and technological innovation that it actually is.